Hi, Scout. Did you have a good day today? Did you have enough to eat? Scout, let me ask you a question over here now. Do you have friends? How many friends do you have? Do you have one or do you have two? Ah, you only got one friend. So will you eventually show us who your friends are? When are you going to show us when your friends are today? Why are you shy? So can I film you playing with your friend today? Okay, so when? Tomorrow? Okay, so is that a deal? Can I film you playing with your friend tomorrow? What's your friend's name? Harvey. Is Harvey your best friend? Okay, so we can play tomorrow and with Harvey and I can film you. Is that okay? Okay. Let's film you tomorrow, okay?